Hi, welcome to this video on how to transfer Hostinger domain to another Hostinger account. Transferring a domain between Hostinger accounts is a straightforward process, and today we'll walk you through each step so that you can get it done quickly. First, log into the Hostinger account where the domain is registered. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. On the dashboard, go to this domain section and click Domain Portfolio and find the domain you want to transfer and click on Manage. Button beside the domain, this will take you to the domain management page. Before you can transfer the domain, you need to unlock it. Find Transfer Lock and simply toggle it off to unlock the domain for transfer. Now go to the Domain Ownership section. Now click on this Initiate Domain Move button. You have to write here your another Hostinger account email where you need to transfer the domain. You can see a warning message after the domain is moved to another account. A transfer lock will be enabled for 10 days, so you won't be able to transfer your domain anywhere within 10 days after this transfer. Click on the Confirm button. The domain transfer is now pending. Now you need to go to another account to accept the domain. So log in to your other Hostinger account and accept the domain by clicking on this Accept button. After accepting the domain, you will be asked for your contact details or some details. Just fill up this form and confirm it. Now that you are all set, you can go to your email where your domain is registered. You will see a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the mail and confirm the transfer. Once you've confirmed the transfer, the process will begin. Domain transfers between Hostinger accounts are typically completed within a few minutes, but in some cases it may take up to 24 hours. During this time, you don't need to take any further actions. Hostinger will handle the rest. Now go to your second Hostinger account in the Domain section and Domain Portfolio tab. You can click this Check Again button to refresh the status. Then you will see the domain is successfully transferred. So that's how to transfer Hostinger domain to another Hostinger account. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.